Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off third-party apps and games connectivity to Facebook. So this is super easy to do, but I'm going to walk you through the steps and how to do that. And if you've ever played games on Facebook or tried to use your Facebook account to log into certain website, this is what it's going to disable. And this you can do this particularly if you want to block it for your child or whatever it is. You can go ahead and do that. Or if you just want to have it blocked for yourself. To do that, go ahead and click your account on the upper right and click on settings and privacy, click on settings again. Now on the left hand side, scroll down and you will find an option in the list that says apps and website. Click on that. Now here, if you scroll down, you will find preferences and it's going to say apps, website, and games. You can turn this feature off. It's currently on, but this is what allows you to use your Facebook account to interact or to log into third-party sites such as apps, website, and even games, right? So you can use your account to connect to those apps. So to disable it, go ahead and turn it off and click on turn off again. And that's it. This is what you do. Very easy and very simple, guys.